Hi everyone, this is Sol with Soul Sister Polish, and today is Self-Care Sunday. So I want to show you how I do my nail care routine in 5 steps. Now, I'm not a nail professional, I'm just a stay-at-home mom, and I found what works best for me. So I want to share with you, and I hope it works for you too. So the first thing I do is if I have a nail polish, I remove them with a non-acetone nail polish remover. Acetone is harsh and it can dry your skin and nails. And if you have short, weak nails, you want to avoid acetone. Then this is a good time if you have a hand scrub to apply and massage your hands and nails and rinse. Now the second step is the cuticle treatment. What I have done sometimes is I soak my nails in soapy warm water and leave it there for about 10 minutes. Or if you have a cuticle remover oil, you can use that too. You apply in your cuticles and you massage around. And also, what I tried recently is vinegar diluted with water. And so I soak my nails in it for about 10-15 minutes, and it also removes any spot areas or colors or any other hard surface that you have in your nails around it. And then with a cuticle pusher, I gently push back your cuticle. Now you do not want to cut your cuticle because they protect your nails and skin from getting infected, but they need to be soft and you need to put them back. Third step is trim and file your nails. This is where you can shape your nails the way you want. Now you want to trim your nails at least once a week. It's like the hair. You want to trim your hair so it grows. Something important, never file your nail back and forth. You want to file in one direction, from the corner to the center. From the other side, also the corner, from the other side to the center. Never back and forth, because that can damage your nail. After this, if you're going to apply nail polish, then you can use the pre-pad that comes in every package and clean your nails from dust or oil, and then you can apply your nail polish, or even clear if you don't want to put any color. Some specialist says that you want to let your nails breathe from 2-3 weeks, and others say that if you're using a good nail polish without much toxins, then it's even good to wear nail polish very often, because then this protect your nails actually. And if you're like me, that your hands are always in water, washing dishes, washing bottles, or cooking all the time, then the nail polish actually protect your nails from absorbing too much water. I'm so thankful that I found Color Street, because it does not have all those yucky stuff. I cannot remember those names because they're very complicated, those toxins. So since I've been using Color Street, my nails they're getting hard. They're hard and they're growing. And I get a lot of people telling me this, and I was like, oh, why is it? Now I know, because they protect the nails, so the nails don't absorb so much water and make them weak and peel. Now, if you're not applying nail polish, you can skip that and go ahead and use your favorite cream and moisturize your hands and nails. And for the last step, I put cuticle oil on my cuticles and behind my nails, and I massage my nails in a circle motion. Now, you can apply the cuticle oil every night, even on top of your nail polish. I usually started to doing it almost every night when I can't remember, but I try to be every night, and when my babies let me. And that helps your nails to get stronger and grow. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please start taking care of your nails. I did not take good care of my nails, and they were super short and peel and look really bad. And now they're actually look healthier, and they're getting stronger and they're growing. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.